vlogging?
Yeah.
Welcome. What's up? Take this. I don't know what to say. She's gonna go through her GoPro. She's gonna find me looking at the camera all awkward. What's up? Ain't nothing but a Compton thing. Your feet.
Just like, alright.
The car vlog.
I feel not.
You're chilling, dog. It looks good. You poppin'. You poppin'.
It's like me looking at you.
We vlogging, you know,
Sort of.
gang, we all out here. I'll do some magic tricks.
I can't.
I'm gonna do some magic tricks so you can post on like Instagram or something.
Alright, I'm scared.
I haven't done it in a while. Had to practice.
Hey Pepe, I'm gonna draw you. I need a pen. Does anybody got a pen?
Mom, do you have a pen?
Oh, sick. Did you see that? I went like this. I just went like.
Alright. A second here. Give me like 2 minutes. Whoa. I thought I just drew on myself. This is a nice pen.
Oh, I dropped a card. Yep, that card's gone. We're gonna have 51 cards in this deck.
Okay. It's underneath all your foot. Right next to you. It's under your foot.
Alright, Pepe. Look at me quick.
I'm small.
Look at me quick, Pepe.
What are you doing?
You want your water back?
I'm gonna draw you. Alright, so here, let's see. For drawing you. Alright, we're good. We got it now. Ready?
How long till the roots?
What?
How long till the roots?
You can't see.
Stop it.
Oh!
Relax.
This is a legit vlog. Welcome to the vlog. How'd I look?
Pretty good.
Is that to me? That's me.
Oh no. He looks like a clown.
I think it looks good, alright? It's Pepe. Alright.
Yeah. Like tell the camera. Hey Ariana, you should jump in with me.
I want to see these two belly flops. I got a video. I'm like, what the hell? Why is he like bending over laughing?
What's happening?
Let me fix my hair. The Eagles? Hey, get me in this. Hi, my name's Pepe. The camera might be sideways, but it's okay. For business inquiries, my link's gonna be right here. And for his business inquiries, show it. Add him right here.
Yo.
Okay.
Come on, Joe.
This has been 2K19 Spring Break.
Hey, where'd it go?
Whoa, whoa. Huh?
Well, I just got like a
We're leaving.
close-up of my face. Where?
Oh, never mind. I'm Spanish lady.
Let me get in this. Yo, we gotta go.
I lost her.
Yeah, Grandma. We got the vlog going, you know. Say hi to the vlog, Grandma.
I'm in a good mood. Say hi to who?
Just say hi.
Hi.
Hi. She said hi. We're just chilling. Fucking lit. Tim, flex on us. Flex on us. Oh. Okay, well, I'm the only one in this vlog. You want to get in this? I'm lonely. Come on. You know, I'm just chilling. Kyle, get in it. Kyle, get in here. What's up? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Turned it off. Oh, no, he didn't.
Can I give him water?
You scared him. Say hi to the vlog.
I'll just become vloggers. Yeah.
You can be like the new team.
She lives in Minnetonka.
We all just chill, you know. We're gonna be the vlog squad, you know.
The one time we're all together a year.
The one time I see Kendall ever in my life. Oh, hey, what's up? What? I swear. Huh? It's like a video game. I think Medusa's trying to get some guys because she's just chilling.
Hello.
What's up, Mo? Is it awkwardly close? Are you drunk?
No. Just water. I've had water, right, Carly?
Do it.
What? You got a problem?
5-year-old fist fight caught on camera. I still have water in my face. Ah! Yeah. This is recording?
Yeah.